The Manchineel tree, Hippomane mancinella, is one of the most dangerous and fascinating plants in the world, earning a notorious reputation as the tree of death. Native to the Caribbean, Central America, northern South America, and parts of Florida, this small to medium-sized tropical tree is a part of the Euphorbiaceae family. Despite its unassuming appearance, every part of the Manchineel tree is highly toxic, making it one of the most hazardous plants to humans. Physical characteristics. The Manchineel tree typically grows to a height of 15 to 20 meters, 50 to 65 feet, with a wide, spreading crown. Its bark is smooth and grayish-green, and its glossy, elliptical leaves are arranged alternately along the branches. During the spring, the tree produces small, greenish-yellow flowers that are not particularly showy, but it bears small, round fruits resembling tiny green apples. These fruits, sometimes called beach apples, are deceptively attractive but are extremely poisonous. Contact with the tree's sap or consumption of its fruit can have serious consequences. Toxicity. The Manchineel tree's sap contains strong toxins, including phorbol, a compound that can cause severe skin irritation and blistering. Even standing under the tree during rain can be hazardous, as water droplets falling from the branches can carry the sap and cause painful skin reactions. Direct contact with the sap can result in blistering, severe dermatitis, and temporary incapacitation. The fruits are highly poisonous if ingested and can cause burning sensations in the mouth, swelling of the throat, vomiting, diarrhea, and even death in extreme cases. Historically, indigenous peoples used the tree's toxic properties as a form of poison for arrows or other weapons. Environmental role. Despite its dangerous nature to humans, the Manchineel tree plays an important ecological role in its native habitats. It stabilizes coastal areas by preventing erosion with its extensive root system. Birds and some wildlife have adapted to tolerate certain toxins of the tree, feeding on its fruits without harm, thereby helping in seed dispersal. The tree typically grows in sandy soils along coastlines, lagoons, and riverbanks, forming dense thickets that act as natural barriers against strong winds and tidal surges. Cultural and historical significance. Throughout history, the Manchineel tree has been both feared and respected. Spanish explorers called it Manzanilla de la Muerte, or Little Apple of Death, because of its toxic fruit. In some regions, warnings and signage are placed near these trees to prevent accidents, particularly in tourist-heavy areas of the Caribbean and Florida. The wood, although highly toxic, has sometimes been used with caution for small construction projects or as firewood, but burning the wood releases toxic smoke that can cause blindness or respiratory distress. Precautions and awareness. Awareness of the Manchineel tree's dangers is critical. Tourists are often advised not to touch the tree, eat its fruit, or shelter beneath it. Signs and red painted X marks on the trunk in regions where the tree is common serve as warnings. For those handling the tree for scientific or forestry purposes, protective clothing and careful handling are mandatory to avoid exposure to the toxic sap. Unique adaptations. Despite its danger, the Manchineel tree has evolved several adaptations to thrive in harsh coastal environments. Its leaves have a waxy coating that reduces water loss, and its deep roots anchor the tree in sandy soils prone to erosion. Its ability to produce highly toxic compounds also serves as a defense mechanism against herbivores, ensuring its survival in the competitive coastal ecosystem. In summary, the Manchineel tree is a remarkable example of nature's duality. It is both beautiful and deadly. Its glossy leaves, green fruits, and coastal presence mask the lethal toxins present in every part of the tree. While hazardous to humans, it serves a vital ecological role in coastal protection and soil stabilization, and it continues to captivate scientists, adventurers, and tourists alike with its unique blend of danger and resilience. Its presence is a reminder that not all beauty in nature is safe, and respect for such plants is essential.